Hello, we'll be working on spelling this period. Make sure you have your language art notebook, pencil, red pen, eraser, and your ruler. We will learn new words, so we're going to start in the front of your notebook. Open to the newest page, and we'll write the title. Make sure you don't work from the back or you don't start in the middle of the notebook. That gets very, very messy. So, one more time, start in the front of the notebook and open to a page that you haven't used yet. Title for this week is Spelling Week 14. The date is September 2nd, 2020. And this week's words are tricky letter sound and non-sound. Underline the title. Use red pen and ruler. Now, if some of you have printed out the spelling list, you can use that too. You can just fold it in half, cut it, and then you can glue this onto here. If you didn't print it out, that's fine. We'll be writing it out. Same as usual. Numbers from 1 to 10. And we'll be writing. Number 1 is straight. 2, stream. Oops. Steam. Knock. Knife. Knuckle, knot, thread, scratch, and dolphin. Let's read the words together. Straight, scream, steam, knock, knife, knuckle, knot, thread, scratch, dolphin. You need 4 columns, so let's use a ruler. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you're working on the printout or if you're looking at old things, you will notice that there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns, but it won't fit, so I'm going to skip the 1 practice if you're writing with your hand. If you're using the printout version, you'll have 3 practices here. Okay, so the first is pictures or the Korean or Japanese word. Second is parts of speech. Third and fourth or fifth is your practice. Let's just do 1 so y'all know. Straight. This is a straight line. Straight line. Parts of speech. It's a straight line, straight hair. It describes a noun, so it is an adjective. And then you practice. Try to hide it. Okay. Same thing here. Hide. Hide. If you forget, it's okay. You can look and learn and keep going. Just like that. So people might be doing it this way or this way. That's fine. Okay. Let's go back to learning which part is the tricky part or where it doesn't make a sound. Let's start with straight. This GH is the tricky part. So take a red pen or a highlighter or a color pencil and you can circle or underline or highlight where it's tricky. Straight. Why it's tricky is because if you just listen to the sound, it's going to sound like straight. But there's that GH in there that makes it tricky. You can't hear. Number 2 is scream. How it sounds is like that, but it's not EE, it's EA. So it's tricky. Same with steam. It sounds like steam, but it's not EE, it's EA. Fourth one, knock. Almost sounds like that. Knock. Or knock. But there's a silent K there that you need to be careful. Knife. There's the silent K you can't hear. Knuckle. There's the K you can't hear. Or you don't say. Knot. What's this? Knot, you need to be careful. This is another word. For example, not now or not this. This is a different word. So make sure you know the difference between these two words. Thread. Scratch. We don't say that scratch. We say scratch. And dolphin. Dolphin sounds like dolphin. Even on the animal, this part is called a fin, but still, when we spell it, it is dolphin. PH, not F. So make sure you circle the PH. We'll learn the meaning of the words in the next video, and then we'll be able to do the pictures and also parts of speech.